Well, today, congressional Democrats around the country are trying to shine a spotlight on health care in efforts to protect the Affordable Care Act.
Bay Area representatives took aim at President Trump, but there still might be room for common ground. KPIX 5 political reporter Melissa Caen has the story.
Let's be really clear. The President of the United States is bad for your health.
Congresswoman Jackie Speier, along with Congressman Mike Thompson and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, took aim at President Trump today while promoting their health care agenda.
He said we're going to have a bigger plan, a better plan, a beautiful plan. Nothing.
The event was one of 140 being held around the country by Democrats in Congress. Pelosi says that Democrats want to protect people with pre-existing conditions, get rid of catastrophic insurance plans, and lower drug prices. And while yesterday President Trump said this,
"We will always protect patients with pre-existing conditions."
Congressman Mike Thompson says that's not true.
They have offered absolutely nothing except a lawsuit that will repeal the Affordable Care Act and take away protection for pre-existing conditions.
So Democrats accuse the president of not doing enough on health care, but the president says some Democrats want to do too much by supporting a plan by Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders that would replace private health insurance with government-run health insurance.
Socialist health care would crush American workers with higher taxes, long wait times, and far worse care.
When asked about this plan today, Pelosi said she's agnostic.
Well, let me just say that we have everything on the table. We put everybody's suggestions on the table and see how that works for the patient, for the consumer, for the American people.
When it comes to health care, there does seem to be one issue everyone can agree on.
We also have launched a new initiative to bring down the price of prescription drugs.
We are working on further legislation which will further reduce the cost of prescription drugs, and we would hope that it would be bipartisan and that we would hope that the president would sign the legislation.
Melissa Caen, KPIX 5.